I feel college. You're supposed to feel sad right now. You're supposed to feel really sad. Phil Collins, I'm making a commentary over Dr. Phil. I'm Phil Collins. Phil Collins, you're supposed to feel sad right now.
Like a liar, make me feel like it didn't happen.
Tell me about the time that they forced you to
Yeah, you better tell us. I want to know. Can you show me? How was it? Cause I was really annoying. I feel Collins. Can you tell it? Can you tell by my voice? I feel Collins. You could have just put some random song here, but I had to make a song. I'm making a commentary. I'm Phil Collins, gonna call up someone with my phone book.
No.
Hey, it's Phil Collins.
Fuck you, Phil Collins.
No, fuck you. Hey, it's Phil Collins.
Oh, you sound like you've been eating tinfoil for the past 10 years.
No! I need a snack.